heart the river flows, never stopping as it goes between the trees and rocky ways. Sometimes swift, sometimes it stays, moving on its chosen days. River flowing like a waterfall, river flowing, reaching tall, gracefully and endlessly, nature's stream runs wild and free. Changing pace, quiet waters finding space, then rushing rapids sound their song, while bird calls echo all day long. Just watching brings such peace along. River flowing like a waterfall, river tall, gracefully and endlessly, nature's stream runs wild and free, nurturing insects, fish and more, taking all that's gone before, growing to a mighty stream, fulfilling nature's endless dream. River flows on endlessly, changing course so gracefully, spreading wide and running free, pure waters for eternity.